How to close a Citibank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you thinking of closing your Citibank account? Well, here is how to do it online from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here simply enter your credential to log into your account and here once logged in you can just click on the messages or message center option from your dashboard and simply select send a message and choose the topic related to the account closure. And there you can simply type a message requesting to close your account and there be sure to mention the specific account you want to close. And there once you're done entering your message, you can simply review your message and hit send. And after that, a Citibank representative will get back to you with the next step. And that's it. That's how you can request to close your Citibank account online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.